Please give a hand to my good friend, Dave Esielionis, everybody. One moment, please.
My name is Dave, and I have positive.
Dave says, my name is Dave, and I have cerebral palsy.
I have my own disability. I feel like for weed. I told them picked up hot dog and put it on the internet for money.
Dave says, I have my own computer business. I fix computers for weed. Sometimes I take naked pictures off of your hard drive and sell them on the internet for extra money.
For extra weed?
Extra money.
More weed. Buy more weed.
I saw a new dog alarm me. It's on 6 down the it's for lost in winter who have hospital funding. Even when I don't have, even when I go, they have that me.
Dave says he's starting a new kind of comedy. It's called sit-down comedy. It's for guys in wheelchairs with horse cocks. Funny, even when I don't get laughs, the chicks still dig me.
I love but the best is where I'm from. This day for
Dave says, I love getting laid. The best part is, when I come, the chicks take it for pillow talk. How did me feel that I was the only outlet you understand on the blue figure? Dave says, I have a job at Dunkin' Donuts. I know there's more, Dave, I know. But so you have to pause here for the laugh and then you're back. Work with me, for fucking Christ's sake, don't go rogue. I have a job at Dunkin' Donuts. They hired me because I was the only applicant people could understand in the drive-thru.
I need to put other than on the with her.
was a good thing I got the job. I had been working at a driving range. It took me 3 months and 17 concussions to remember that I should put the flag down on the wheelchair.
How many people live CP that is doing a robot?
How many people with CP does it take to screw in a light bulb?
Only one loser under annual of Polish.
He says, how should I know? I'm Polish. Last year, I took a cooking class. My specialty was shake and bake. I got thrown out of class, though. A fellow student said I couldn't keep my hands to myself. I love comedy, but once at a show in Roxbury, I got beaten up for doing gang signs.
I'm the number of the fighting this here, sir.
I love Pirates of the Caribbean movies, he says. Except for Johnny Depp. I can never understand a fucking word he says.
I know that you are the best only hope women was the best, and they always have those books. There have started on me.
He says, I don't like to ride the bus. Only poor women ride the bus. And they always cry during the blowjob. The bus driver calls me Meals on Wheels.
Now have been the use of my hair Heidemann said other here Taylor for in the sea who qualify in the day from in
Not having the use of my legs has given me sharper senses. I can hear spiders fuck, see through padded bras, and smell a menstrual cycle at 1,000 yards. He'd like you to know that Colleen is on the rag right now.
supposedly I love really funny. Some stupid people, but it easy to then go out this when you feel that talking out online.
Dave says, I have a secret. I don't really have cerebral palsy. I'm just really lazy and I don't like talking to, yeah, excuse me, really fucking lazy. And he doesn't like talking to stupid people. Plus, it's really good at Christmas time to get chicks when you have great parking at the mall.
You know what? We left fire the minute of when the neighborhood had my fire. We want the door.
Dave, the F word is best used sparsely. Let's try that again. You know what really fucking pisses Dave off?
Why?
When the neighborhood kids fucking hide his fucking remote control.
Fucking bastards.
The only you see on TV in a mode there is the hot here that the filter is that people that for real if I only the love has done when the active rolling in the police too.
Dave says the only guy on TV that you see in a chair is Stephen Hawking's. And he gets the bitches. He's been divorced twice, for real. Dave says, if I could only learn to type with my tongue, I'm sure I'd be rolling in the pussy too. He's practicing, ladies, he's practicing.